Greetings, greetings. I just need you to check out this Rastaman and tell me what you think. And remember, this Rastaman is talking based on his views and opinions. But just listen what the Rasta say and tell me if you find the sense in what I say, if you get the point of the Rasta try to make. You can share your views in the comment section down there. Check it out.
See,
ages come up until now, I see system.
Yeah.
Who can afford you? Do one thing I thought.
Yeah, but watch this now. Let me tell you something. When me check the mark of the beast, it say it's the name of a person, the mark of a person. First, if you check for your phone where you dial, number. Because in the house, man, is the number one, and the letters of the alphabet should start on a number one. Why the letters of the alphabet start on a number two? Check it for your phone. A start on a number two, should start on number one. That means a woman control words. Man ain't control no words anymore. Man be more silent right now. Woman be more talkative. When man should be the one to be more talkative right now. Woman is the one that talkative right now. So man keeps saying because what? Because of the vagina. So when you show weakness for the vagina, that's where you give your power to a woman as a man. You know what I mean? So woman a cuss man, I say man a devil, man a cuss woman, say woman a devil. But what you know, remember, man is the head of the house. You know what I mean? So if a man doesn't stand up in the kingdom and govern the kingdom can't run properly. A mother can't teach a son how to be a man, but a father can. Father can't teach a daughter how to be a woman, but the mother can. And the voice of the man represent the thunder, and the woman represent the lightning. You know what I mean? So if man don't in the position and get back the respect where they need to get in the house, then the house can't run properly, the kingdom can't run properly, because there's no word out there where it start with queen and end with queen. But you have heard it start with king and done with king. Just like kingdom, Kingston, you have talking, walking, raking, baking, faking, all of them you can name them. You know what I mean? So as long as man not get certain respect, the house not run good. And woman, me need to tell you this, the world of phone, but all you need to do is to submit. And woman doesn't love submission. You know what I mean? If a woman submit to the real man when they within their life, everything with the man own for the woman. So it's so simple for woman to control the world, but they want to deal with bull force and use them body, physical body, to take the attraction of a man, or if you try to manipulate your mind with them vagina. Man bigger than sex. It's not all about sex. It's the character that the person make the person be who they are, not the looks nor the shape. And three things a woman run down on them body, or cherish rather. Them face, them vagina, and them bumper. You know what I mean? So, come along. There are many more to talk about. And it's reality. And look out for the book I come. We're going to name The Broken Kingdom of Love with God and the Devil. Because man are God and woman are the devil. You know what I mean? And because them are the devil, they are also God themselves too. But they don't know how to play their role as a female. Because man can't do without them, and if he said, we can't do without them, they have all power to control the mind. But it can't work so for it. Come again.
Rasta the on point, man, but some of the information that you know, so they can tweak a bit to them on the right track. But, well, you know you're Rasta already.
Yeah.
So you can see it. But we are Christians then.
Yeah, not the
so
right.
you know female version are kind of slightly different from you, but that's how you go, you good. Big up yourself.
If you think a lie, me I tell, go into the mathematical form and check positivity and check negativity. Just like yin and yang, good and bad, happy and sad. You can't happy if you never sad, or you can't sad if you never happy. So life is a vice versa. One can't do without the other. So a woman can't be independent from a man in no form. And any woman that say them independent, they are lonely soul. Them smile in front of them friend and pretend like everything alright, but behind back or in their home alone, they feel lonely and depressed. People only put the best on the outside, but the best is on the inside. You know what I mean? So check it out if you think a lie, may I tell. Because the thing is very deep. You know what I mean? So we have many more things to talk about. Everything can utter one time, but as slowly as you go by. And ladies, don't look a man based on the outer appearance. You know what I mean? Don't watch the face your man carry, nor the body build your man carry, nor the clothes your man carry. Watch the personality and the character if you want a good man. If you're a spiritual person, look for a spiritual man. And if you're a physical person, look for a physical man. That's the only way you're going to have a complete, compatible relationship. And surrender yourself unto your man in order for your man to surrender to him. Because if you don't honor me as the king, I can't honor you as the queen. Life is very simple. Treat me the way how you want me to treat you for us to have a better relationship. And we need that in the kingdom. Give man the position and life will be better. Killing will be less, more love will show, and reality will be more upfront and personal. Check it out. Next chapter coming again.